In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the Slice tool in Figma. The Slice tool is perfect when you want a clean snapshot of a specific area of your design without exporting the entire frame. It gives you precise control over what's included, so your handoffs, previews, or quick shares look exactly the way you intend. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the area you want to capture. The Slice tool lives with the region tools in the top toolbar. Click the small arrow next to the region tools icon and choose Slice, or simply press S on your keyboard to activate it. Your cursor will change, indicating you are ready to draw. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a slice around the area you want to capture. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. After you draw it, you can move and resize the slice just like any other object. Drag the corners or edges to fine-tune the boundaries, and reposition it until it frames exactly what you need. Take a moment to align the edges with your design elements, so you don't accidentally clip text or icons. Keep in mind that only the content inside the slice's boundaries will be included in the export. Anything outside won't appear, even if it's visible on the canvas. This makes slices great for isolating components, showcasing a specific state, or grabbing just a section of a large layout. When you are happy with the selection, look to the right-hand panel. In the Export section, choose the format that suits your use case: PNG or JPG for images, SVG or PDF if you want vector-friendly output, and then click Export. PNG is a solid default for crisp UI elements and supports transparency, while JPG can be smaller for photographic content. SVG and PDF keep vectors scalable for documents or developer use. If you need something fast, you can also right-click the slice and select Copy as PNG. This gives you an instant image on your clipboard without going through the full export flow. Paste it into your chat, a document, or your project management tool to share a quick preview with teammates. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.